Okay, for week 7, we are continuing to build on the Omega Church data. So last week we did the research proposal. This week we're going to take it one step forward and look at the descriptive analytics report. So in the research proposal, we're just basically proposing that we're going to do a study. In the descriptive analytics, we're going to actually do a little bit of analytics just to see what type of data do we have, what is the data telling us. And so you have the descriptive analytics report right here. You can download that. And here we go. Open it. This nice template will show you basically what it is that you need to talk about. So again, keep your executive summary to the end. Start with your research question, hypotheses, and then jump into your descriptive statistics. So let me enable editing. And this can build straight off of what we did last week. So last week in our hypothetical situation, we're just looking at income. So you could basically copy paste your research question and hypotheses over here. And let's grab the hypotheses. Because for a scientific project, you want to make sure that everything is consistent week over week. Now, there is room for pivoting. So if you got into your data and you figured out, well, this doesn't make sense, you could always pivot and start with something else. Okay, so for our descriptive statistics then, we just need to see what we have. So if we go back into your income worksheet that we had from last week, you can start to look at, well, what type of income do we have? And if we did our filter, you can see, well, there's actually quite a few different income streams. So if I copy this, paste it to a new worksheet, if I just want to know how many different income streams I have, we can do a remove extra rows. Basically what we're doing is removing duplicates. So you can go to more commands, all commands. There's a function called remove duplicates. Let's get to that. Here we go, remove duplicates. You'll notice it pops up over here. That means it's going to add it to our toolbar. Hit OK. And then now that we have this whole column highlighted, you can tell it to remove duplicates, and it shows you have 27 unique items, unique rows. So in other words, we have 27 different income streams that we're looking at. So that's quite a few. With your descriptive statistics, I talk about that we have 27 different income streams. Now we could talk about how much money do we have in each of these income streams? So a pivot table might be good. This will let you see pretty quickly how much is coming in for each, which we did this last week, but it'll be good to, actually, we need to highlight it this way. Sort it from biggest to smallest, and you can see, okay, these are the larger income streams. These are the smaller income streams. Now, if you remember from last week, we didn't talk about how many years of income. So we don't know, is this 1 year or 10 years? We don't know if this is 1 year or 10 years. And so that's something that we'd want to know. But in essence, we have over, let's get the dollar signs in here. Makes it easy. We have over $700,000 of income since 2014. That's 2014 to 2019. So we just want to see what's in here. If we wanted to divide this out by different years, we can do that. If you wanted to take, let's say, your top 10, and let's see here, here's 10, and we could copy that to a new tab, and then you could put this together in a chart. Okay, so pick a chart that you like, and this is showing you your top 10 income streams. We could do the same for the bottom 10. And this is basically a good data visualization way to put this in your descriptive statistics report so that you could talk about this. Show some data visualization, that's always helpful, and put some tables, figures, and so on in here. So that's really all that the descriptive statistics report is about. You'll see here we used a table. In this example that we just did, we used a figure or bar chart. So again, sky's the limit with this. You just need to pick a topic and then start to get into the details to understand what's in this that we want to understand about our data. All right, so that is it for the descriptive statistics report. If you have any questions, please let me know.